Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mr. McCullum back for you again on Tuesday here. Just had a little fun on sharing time, so I'm sending out another video. I hope you're off to a good start this week. It's our last week of regular instructions going on, regular class assignments. So I hope my videos for those classes have been helpful if you're doing those, and looking forward to getting all those things turned into you as we get going, okay? So one more week to go. Keep working hard. Next week we'll have some enrichment activities and things like that for you to get into, and we'll keep going with that, right? So, again, good luck with that. Hope it's going okay. We're going to keep going now with some sharing time. First of all, music shout out. Today is Taco Tuesday, which is super exciting. And we've got Taco Tuesday music going on. This is our mariachi music. It's called just Ultimate Mariachi. We love to listen to this at my house every Tuesday. We typically would make tacos on Taco Tuesday, or maybe go to Moe's. That's a place my kids love. Ever since we've been doing the stay-at-home thing, we've been definitely doing like Taco Tuesday every Tuesday, doing it, making a little party. Gives us something to kind of look forward to in a routine for during the week. So we've been enjoying that quite a bit. So that's our music going on. Hope you enjoy that. If you're having tacos tonight, maybe look this up. It's on Amazon Music all the time. Really like it a lot, so it's fun. It's good. Good mariachi music, fun for Tuesday. All right, let's get going with our stuff today. First poll question of the day is having to do with showers and things like that. I thought this was just a couple of fun pictures on that theme. I was actually pretty interested in this one. It's kind of interesting that most of us, the question about when you take a shower or bath, usually at night or before bed. Most of us, the vast majority of us, pick that. So I wonder if that's just a normal routine anyway. You just kept it up. I kind of have this because for me, showers are usually like get in a hurry and go take a shower right before I come to school. And it's kind of a hectic situation where I'm just trying to get cleaned up real quick as I'm trying to get out the door. But nowadays, I'm usually in this sometime in the afternoon category. So these green people over here. Usually for me, it's like once my work is done for the day, like when I'm done with this video, I might go take a shower and relax and enjoy it a little bit. Before quarantine happened, I didn't really get to enjoy showers too much. It's just, like I said, a quick thing to do, get cleaned up and smelling fresh before I go off to school. But now it's a thing I can do with put on some music and enjoy the hot shower for a little bit, a few minutes, rather than just like hurry up and get it done. So anyway, I wonder if that's kind of why I came up with that question of when you might be doing it, since it was different for me nowadays. I'm thinking maybe if most of us are saying at night before bed, that's probably the routine you had anyway, so it works out that way. So again, it's kind of surprising that so many of us are doing that at night, just that the other ones just aren't happening as much. But good. Hopefully you're doing those things every day though, right? As we're getting older, it's good to make sure we have good hygiene and don't want to be driving people away. All right, anyway, let's keep going. Funny 5-second nature video of the day. Got one about bunnies today that actually Lily Von Holly sent. I love that. Just a quick little one. This is maybe not the most athletic bunny, but definitely a smart bunny. You want me to jump over? No, I think I'll just go right there. Pretty good stuff there. So there's our nature video of the day. Smart bunny. Not a hoppy bunny, but a smart bunny. Good. Okay. Interview question of the day. Let's get into that. This is going to have to do with playing games at home. There's a couple fun little ones I found. Little memes, I guess you can say. This is about a euchre one. I saw a few of us had euchre as our as a choice here. So if you're not sure what euchre is, if you ever played that, probably doesn't make too much sense to you. But anyway, here we go. First of all, for my answer, as far as what we've been playing as a family, my son and I've been playing this game called Plants vs. Zombies. It's on my old PlayStation. It's a lot of fun. It's actually pretty basic. This is what the screen looks like. You basically build plants that help defeat the zombies, and if the zombies get all the way over here to your house, they go in your house and eat your brain, of course, and that's how you lose. Oh no. So you have to avoid the zombies, keep them away, and you use different kinds of plants. There's plants that shoot peas and different things. There's plants that blow up the zombies. It's actually quite a lot of fun, so my son and I have enjoyed that a lot. All right, so some of the things you guys have been doing, a lot of good answers here. I'm going to try to go through them quick, but a whole bunch of responses, so we'll just kind of zoom right through them to get a few ideas. Maybe some of you have these games at home, you're like, oh, I haven't played that in a while, I might get to play that. So Avery's got just getting outside and doing basketball, golf, that's awesome. Vincent Fazenmeyer playing euchre, good. Liverpool, I've never heard that, or Kemp's. Those sound like good games too, though. Jackson been doing Clue, Monopoly, another euchre, Sequence, good games all around there. Getting outside and doing some other things too, like Capture the Flag, Red Light, Green Light, Marco Polo, and some basketball games. Isaac Dort's been playing Crinkle, Go Fish Uno. There's some card games, good. Rachel, Clue, Monopoly, and Uno, awesome. Molly Dornight, another euchre player, good. Jim, Guess Who, and Kings on the Corn, good games there too. Played lots of cards. Allie Spiller's playing cards, and learned how to play euchre, so lots of euchre people, good. I really like to play you guys. One of those things that remind me of summertime when we'd go up to the lake. Like I saw the music I had last week with CCR reminded me of being up at the lake for the summer. We would stay up late and play euchre a lot. As the evening kind of winds down. So, we can't do that now, but it's cool that you guys are playing euchre. Hopefully we can get those games going. It's good to be doing that with your family. Nolan, play a lot of horse and banks, so basketball games, cool. Maya's doing Candyland, Monopoly. Colin's doing some card games, lots of different games, so good. Anthony's been doing a game called Mario and Sonic at the Olympics. Mousetrap, good game, and Guess Who, so card games, board games, it's good. Jacob's playing Othello, Blank Slate, Telestrations, and Monopoly. In fact, Vaughn and I are doing Phase 10. That's another good card game. That's going to be a bit of a challenge, but that's a fun one. It takes a little while, right? But it's fun to play with a big group, especially. John's playing Uno and cards, good. Liam, card games like Kings in the Corner. Good. I think we heard that from somebody else earlier, too. All right. Ike is playing Pandemic. Good. We thought it was a good game for the current events. Actually, makes sense. Okay. Lola has been playing Monopoly, Crazy Eights, and Uno card games. Good. And Throw Burrito, a dodgeball card game. That sounds interesting, like a combination. Mitch playing a lot of Uno, Square Up, Scrabble, Monopoly, and Guess Who. Good. A lot of different card games. Josie Sorry, a classic board game, good. Grace has been playing Stenopoly. I mean, Cincinnati Monopoly themed for different cities and stuff. Cool. Risk Phase 10, another Phase 10 poker, good. Rosie's been playing Headbands. It's a game where you guess what object you are. So you may put a thing on your forehead and you can't see, you have to guess. Cool. Kennedy's playing Scramble. Isaac Troutman playing the Wii. Good. So some video games. Wii games are fun to play in families too, because you get up and move and you have to sometimes have a lot of motion going on, which is good. All right, Jack Dunn, euchre, another euchre, Parcheesi, Life, Arts, Uno, Stratego, Kids Against Maturity card game, and backgammon. Lots of different games. Okay, Vincent's been playing Connect 4. That's always fun. Molly Armstrong played Square Up and Monopoly. It always ends up with someone in tears, physical fighting, because we're all sore winners and losers except Mom. Good to recognize that Mom is not. I'll tell you what, Jack Dunn mentioned the game Life, and that's a game that we tried to play in my house. It usually, like you said, it gets a little stressful, kind of like playing Monopoly, and not always turning out the best. You have to choose up lots when you play that, but I definitely understand getting frustrated sometimes with games. Lily Tierney's playing Monopoly, Risk, and lots of it. Pretty cool. Older classic game, good. Sophia's played Jenga. It's another go on Connect 4 clip and made puzzles. Puzzles are awesome. My brother, in his apartment, is basically what he's calling his puzzle table, where he's got a 2,000-piece puzzle he's working on. I think he's still kind of working on it, but he likes puzzles a lot. I don't really have the patience for 2,000 pieces, but he's been doing a good job with it. All right, Nora's played Tennis in the Street. Cool. Playing Life, too. Again, Life gets a little frustrating for me. The game in real life sometimes, too, right? So, kind of interesting. Lily Von Holly's playing soccer. Old Manny Spaceship. Interesting. Barbies and Fairies. Good. That's some fun games to play, too. Emma's been playing some Monopoly. Bailey's been doing Phase 10. Yahtzee. Yahtzee's not a good one. Catchphrase. All right. Kellen. Trivial Pursuit, cool, fun. Trivial Pursuit, that's a good one for just general knowledge. You can learn some interesting factoids like that. Mac's been playing Monopoly. Josie got a ping pong set, so playing lots of ping pong. That's good, perfect timing. Madison playing Jenga and doing lots of puzzles. Good, again, puzzles. If you got the patience, give you a lot of fun. Finn's been playing Trouble, Headbands. That's what I think Rosie mentioned. And Monopoly, good. Annie's been playing soccer, so maybe get outside and playing soccer with the family. Good. Nathan's playing Uno, another one, good. Sebastian playing basketball and Mafia, okay. And Will Tiefenbach's been doing Gravity Maze, Catan Jr., and Balance Puzzles. Other good ones, good. Oh, okay, so that's how we started. I went through that quicker than I thought, but good. Thanks for sharing those answers, those responses with the different games you're playing. Again, if you're seeing that, maybe that might give you some ideas, some new things you can try. I know it's obviously been going on for a little while. But there we go. So hopefully yeah, getting some good game time in. I hope you enjoyed that. All right, not staying now is my show and tell. Just real quick for show and tell. Oh, go back. Let me go. That's right. I go to the full screen here. Wait, no, I missed it. There we go. Nope, that's not it. All right, figured it out. It's been. I made a video because I forgot which one to click. Okay, so this is my show and tell today. It's a Cincinnati Cyclones pennant that I got when I was a kid. So we went to the Cyclones game earlier this year for our field trip, and they had different logos and things. There's actually a guy sitting not too far from us that I think was a little loud, if you remember. If you were sitting over that way, he was kind of yelling a lot, which is cool. But that was kind of neat. So this is their old logo. This is a pennant I've had since I was a kid. I was probably younger than you guys. I used to go to Cincinnati Gardens with my dad, and we'd go see Cyclone games a lot. So this is the pennant with the colors. This is what the jersey used to look like the tornado for the Cyclone. So that's kind of fun. Those are kind of neat little things there. So that's my little sharing time. It's an old pennant. Cincinnati Cyclones, kind of an old school thing. It's just probably at least 25 years old. It's kind of been hanging out down in my basement where I've got a few sports. So that is that. That's about all I got for you today. Let me see if I can go back to. I think I messed up. Well, hey, I'm going to go ahead and try to pause it here and say thanks for watching. I can't get to my last screen. Probably just me on the full screen. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you have a good rest of the day. I'll try to put out at least one more video this week and keep working on those school subjects and things. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks again for watching.